Hey student, welcome back after a long time. Student, today we are going to discussing on applications of biotechnology in shortly. Okay, we can learn briefly in another video, but today we are learn in short applications of biotechnology, because the application of biotechnology is used in sectors. Okay, so first sector is plant biotechnology. In plant biotechnology, for cell or tissue culture, biotechnology is for preparation of genetically modified crop. Biotechnology is used for development of new variety. Marker assisted selection method are used, and all these are the applications of biotechnology. The marker assisted selection method is used to develop new variety. For example, for developing new variety, it take almost 25 years or more than. Okay, so by using marker assisted selection method, we can develop such a new variety within a short time, near about 3 to 5 years. Okay, by using genetic marker. Okay, so these all are the applications of plant biotechnology. Then another application is industrial biotechnology. In industry, for production of enzymes, proteins, and different metabolites can be produced by using biotechnology. Okay, then genomic in genomics, biotechnology is used for to know whole sequencing of genome, gene function. Then reverse genetics. Reverse genetics means what? To understand the function of genetics. To understand the function of genetics, that is reverse genetics. Then bioinformatics. In such a sector, biotechnology is used to know whole sequencing of genome, functions of genes, and their analysis. Then another application is microbial biotechnology. In microbial biotechnology, to know the different microbes and to prepare different products for human welfare from the such a microbes. Okay, then for production of biofertilizer, biopesticide, integrated pest management, biotechnology was used. Okay, then another application is environmental biotechnology. In environmental biotechnology, for controlling pollution, biofuel, bioremediation, and conservation of biodiversity, we can use biological or biotechnological application for saving the earth. Then last application is animal biotechnology. Means what? Biotechnology is used in animal for cellular function, for tissue culture, then generative medicine, then immunotechnology, genetically modified animals, pharmaceutical products, okay, or gene therapy. All these are the applications of biotechnology. Student, there is some proteins which produced by recombinant DNA technology for different disease, disorders, and health condition. Okay, so that proteins are used for several diseases, and by using biotechnology, these protein can treated several diseases. Then first disease is anemia. Okay, we know that anemia is a condition in which oxygen level is too low. Means what? Deficiency of oxygen causes anemia. In this condition, the RBCs appear like sickle. Okay, sickle shape RBC are show in this condition. Okay, so anemia can be treated by erythropoietin, not protein, erythropoietin. Okay, this erythropoietin is prepared by using recombinant DNA technology. Then another disease is asthma. It is a condition in which difficulties for breathing. Okay, we cannot properly breathe. That condition is called as asthma. Okay, for asthma, there is a recombinant protein, that is interleukin 1 receptor. Okay, interleukin 1 receptor is produced by recombinant DNA technology. Another condition is atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis, it is a condition in which deposition of cholesterol or fat into the wall of arteries. Okay, then these deposition can be treated by protein, that is platelet derived growth factor. This platelet derived growth factor can cure atherosclerosis, not arteriosclerosis. Okay, atherosclerosis means what? Deposition of cholesterol into the wall of artery. Another condition is parturition, that is time of baby deliver. During this time, the main role play hormone, that is relaxin. Okay, and this relaxin hormone can also develop by a recombinant DNA technology. Then another is blood clotting. For requirement of blood clotting, tissue plasminogen activator, that is urokinase, can be developed by using recombinant DNA technology. These are also example of recombinant DNA technology, that is urokinase, or in shortly TPA, that is tissue plasminogen activator. There is another disease, that is cancer. Okay, for cancer there is interferon, tumor necrosis factor, interleukin, macrophage activator factor are developed by recombinant DNA technology, and all of these are a protein which is used for treating cancer. Which one proteins? That is interferon, tumor necrosis factor, interleukin, macrophage activator factor. These proteins are used to treat cancer. Another condition is diabetes. We are all familiar with diabetes. We know that diabetes caused during the sugar level is increase into the blood. Okay, so these diabetes condition can be treated by the protein, that is insulin, and insulin can also develop by using a recombinant DNA technology. Okay, and another example is emphysema or emphysemo. Emphysemo, it is a condition. Emphysemo, it is a condition which causes shortness of breathing. This condition can be treated by alpha-1 antitrypsin. Okay, alpha-1 antitrypsin, it is a recombinant protein which treat emphysemo. Okay, next example is hemophilia A. In hemophilia, you know that hemophilia is a disease or genetic disease in which blood not clot progressively. Okay, so in hemophilia A, factor 8, it is a blood clotting factor. Factor 8 is developed by recombinant DNA technology. Then hemophilia B, there is a factor 9. Okay, 8 and 9, these are blood clotting factors. Okay, and these factors can be developed by recombinant DNA technology. Last one is hepatitis B. Okay, it is a disease. Hepatitis B, it is a disease in which liver is infected and skin or eye become a yellow. Yellowness is appear over skin or eye. That condition is called as hepatitis. Okay, so for hepatitis B, there is a recombinant protein is developed by using recombinant DNA technology or biotechnology, that is hepatitis B vaccine. Okay, this hepatitis B vaccine can treat hepatitis B. Okay, so student, today we are discuss the applications of biotechnology in shortly, and another is some protein which produced by recombinant DNA technology for different disease, disorder and health condition curing. Okay, so student, I hope you like this video, and if you are new in our channel, so do subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.